In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices with Stripe for beginners. Let's dive right into the process step by step. Firstly, head over to stripe.com. This is where it all begins. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. If you're new to Stripe, you'll need to create an account, but for those of us with existing accounts, we'll move on to logging in. Simply enter your email address and password to access your account. After entering your details, click on the sign in button to proceed. In case your account is set up with two-step authentication, you'll be prompted to enter a code. Make sure to check your email or phone for this access code and input it as instructed. With these steps complete, you'll make your way to the Stripe dashboard homepage. This is where you'll find all of your account information and tools. Navigate your way over to the menu on the left side and locate the section labeled Billing. Click on it. Once you're in the billing section, select Invoice from the options available. This takes you to a section where you can see all invoices that have been created so far. To create a new invoice, simply click the Create Invoice button. Now it's time to fill out the invoice details, starting with the customer information. Enter the customer's details in the respective fields. You will also need to choose the currency for the invoice, so go ahead and select the appropriate currency for your transaction. After this, you'll need to enter the items or products that are being billed. It's important to provide a clear description of each item or service so that your customer knows exactly what they are being charged for. Once that's done, set the price for each item. Ensure that it's accurate and reflects what was agreed upon. At this stage, it's also crucial to set up your payment collection method. Decide how you would like to receive payments, whether it's through credit card or other methods that Stripe supports. Double check all the information for accuracy before moving on. When you are satisfied with everything, don't forget to click the Save button to store your invoice. Finally, after your invoice has been saved successfully, you'll come across the option to send it. Click Send Invoice to forward it to your customer. This will complete the process on your end and ensure that your customer receives it promptly. And there you have it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice using Stripe. This process might seem a bit detailed initially, but once you go through it a couple of times, it becomes quite intuitive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with Stripe invoicing.